Dear 10th standard students, in this video class, I am going to introduce the new topic, special series from chapter Numbers and Sequence. Doing sums from the examples 2.54 to 2.58. Formulas for special series. First one, sum of first n natural numbers starting from 1. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus and so on plus n is n into n plus 1 by 2. Second, sum of the squares of first n natural numbers 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square and so on plus n square is equal to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Third one, sum of the cubes of first n natural numbers 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus 4 cube plus and so on plus n cube is n into n plus 1 by 2 the whole square. Sum of the first n even natural numbers, that is 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus and so on plus up to 2n, that is n into n plus 1. Next one, sum of the first n odd natural number, that is 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus and so on plus 2n minus 1, that is n square. The sum of first n natural numbers are also called triangular numbers because they form triangular shape. The sum of squares of first n natural numbers are called square. Pyramidal number because they form pyramid shape with square face. Example number 2.54. Find the value of first one 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus and so on plus 50. Here given counting number or natural number starting from 1 to 50. Formula for sum of first n natural number is sum of k. K is 1 to n. N into n plus 1 by 2. Here the given sum of k is equal to 1 to 50 up to 50. N is 50 here. 50 into 50 plus 1 by 2. 50 into 51 by 2. 50 plus 1, 51. 50 is divided by 2, we get 25. 25 into 51, we get 1275. Therefore, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus and so on plus 50 is 1275. Second one, 16 plus 17 plus 18 plus and so on plus 75. Here given starting from 16. But our formula is only for starting from first number onwards. First number is 1 in the natural number. So, write 16 plus 17 plus 18 plus and so on plus 75 is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus and so on plus 75. Here, before 16, you have 15 numbers added here. So, that can be subtracted. Minus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus and so on plus 15. Here, n is 75 and here n is 15. Sum of k is equal to 1 to 75 minus k, sum of k is equal to 1 to 15. 75 into 75 plus 1 by 2 minus 15 into 15 plus 1 by 2. 75. 75 plus 1, 76 by 2 minus 15 into 15 plus 1, 16 by 2. 76 is divided by 2, get 38. 75 into 38 minus 16 is divided by 2, we get 8. 15 into 8. 75 into 38, 2850 minus 15 into 8, 120. 2850, 120, we get 2750. Therefore, 16 plus 17 plus 18 plus and so on plus 75 is 2750. Example number 2.55. Find the sum of first sum 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus and so on to up to 40 times. Here, odd numbers is given. Sum of first n odd natural number is sum of 2k minus 1. 2k minus 1 is odd number. K is equal to 1 to n is n square. The formula for first n odd natural number is n square. So, sum of 2k minus 1, k is equal to 1 to 40. 40 times. So you get n is 40. 40 square, we get 1600. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus up to 40 times is 1600. Second sum, 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus and so on plus 80. Here, even natural number is given, starting from 2 up to 80. Number of times here 40. Sum of first n even natural number. Sum of 2k is even natural number. K is equal to 1 to n. Formula is n into n plus 1. Sum of 2k, k is equal to 1 to 40 is equal to 40 into 40 plus 1. 40 into 41, 1640. 2 plus 3, 4 plus 6 plus and so on plus 80 is equal to 1640. Third sum, 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus and so on plus 55. Here, whole number is given first but not given number of times. It gives lost times. So you are going to find number of times. Formula is, n is equal to l minus a by d plus 1. Here a is 1, l is 55, d second term minus first term 2. 55 minus 1 by 2 plus 1, 54 by 2 plus 1. 54 is divided by 2, we get 27 plus 1. 27 plus 1, 28. Sum of 2k minus 1, k is equal to 1 to 28 is equal to 28 square. Formula is n square. 28 square is 784. Therefore, 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus and so on plus 55 is equal to 784. Example number 2.56. Find the sum of first sum 1 square plus 2 square plus and so on plus 19 square. Square numbers starting from 1. So, sum of squares of first n natural number. Sum of k square, k is equal to 1 to n is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. It is the formula for finding sum of squares of first n natural number. 1 square plus 2 square and so on plus 19 square, we get sum of k square, k is equal to 1 to 19, n is 19, 19 into 19 plus 1 into 2 into 19 plus 1 by 6. 19 into 20 into 39 by 6. 20 and 6 is cancelled by 2. We get 10 and 3. 39 is divided by 3. We get 13. 19 into 10 into 13. We get. Therefore, 1 square plus 2 square and so on plus 19 square is equal to 2470. Second sum, 5 square plus 10 square plus 15 square plus and so on plus 105 square. Here given the sum of the squares of multiple of 5. We taken out 5 square out. 5 square into 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square and so on plus 21 square. 10 square 100. 5 square 25, 2 square 4, 25 into 4 100. 5 square 25, 21 is number of times n. 21 into 21 plus 1 into 2 into 21 plus 1 by 6. 25 into 21 plus 21 into 21 plus 1 22 into 2 into 21 42, 42 plus 1 43 by 6. 21 and 6 cancel by 3, we get 7, here 2. 22 is divided by 2, we get 11. 25 into 7 into 11 into 43, we get 82,775. Therefore, 5 square plus 10 square plus 15 square plus and so on plus 105 square is equal to 82,775. Third sum, 15 square plus 16 square plus 17 square plus and so on plus 28 square. Here given starting from 15, but our formula is starting from 1. So it can be changed into 1 square plus 2 square plus and so on plus 28 square. We are adding up to 14 square. So subtract that minus 1 square plus 2 square plus and so on plus 14 square. Here n is 28, here n is 14. Formula is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. 28 into 28 plus 1, 2 into 28 plus 1 by 6 minus 14 into 14 plus 1 into 2 into 14 plus 1 by 6. 28 into 29 into 57 by 6 minus 14 into 15 into 29 by 6. Here 28 and 6 is cancelled by 2, we get 14, here 3. 57 is cancelled by, divided by 3, we get 19. 14 into 29 into 19, here 14 and 6 is cancelled by 2, we get 7, here 3. 15 is divided by 3, we get 5. 7 into 5 into 29. 14 into 29 into 19, we get 7,714 minus 7 into 5 into 29, we get 1,015. 7,714 minus 1,015, we get 6,699. Therefore, 15 square plus 16 square plus 17 square plus and so on plus 28 square is equal to 6,699. Example number 2.57. Find the sum of, first sum, 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus and so on plus 16 cube. Sum of, here given cube numbers. So formula is sum of cubes of first n natural number. Sum of k cube. K is equal to 1 to n. N into n plus 1 by 2 the whole square. Given sum 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus and so on plus 16 cube. Here n is 16. So k is, sum of k cube is, sum of k cube, k is 1 to 16. 16 into 16 plus 1 by 2 the whole square. 16 divided by 2 we get 8. 16 plus 1 17. 8 into 17 the whole square. 136 the whole square. We get 18,496. Therefore 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus and so on plus 16 cube is equal to 18,496. Second sum, 9 cube plus 10 cube plus and so on plus 21 cube. Here cube numbers are given. We are starting from 9 to ended with 21. Our formula is only for starting from the natural number 1, 2, 3 and so on. So we change the series into 1 cube plus 2 cube plus and so on plus 21 cube minus 1 cube plus 2 cube plus and so on plus 8 cube. Sum of k cube, k is equal to 1 to n is n into n plus 1 by 2 the whole square. Here n is 21, here n is 8. 21 into 21 plus 1 by 2 the whole square minus 8 into 8 plus 1 by 2 the whole square. 21 into 21 plus 1, 22 by 2 the whole square minus 8 by 2, 4. 4 into 8 plus 1, 9 the whole square. 22 is divided by 2, we get 11. 21 into 11 the whole square minus 4 into 9, 36 the whole square. 21 into 11, 231 the whole square minus 36 square. 231 the whole square is 53,361. 36 square is 1,296. 53,361 minus 1,296, we get 52,065. Therefore 9 cube plus 10 cube and so on plus 21 cube is equal to 52,065. Example number 2.58. If 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus and so on plus n is equal to 666, then find n. Here a series is given starting 1 up to n numbers. The sum of the series is 666. To find the n number n, since 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus and so on plus n is equal to 666, sum of n natural number, formula is n into n plus 1 by 2 is equal to 666. N into n square, n into 1 n is equal to 666 into 2. N square plus n is equal to 1332. N square plus n minus 1332 is equal to 0. Factorize this, we get n plus 37 into n minus 36 is equal to 0. N is minus 37. It is possible. Counting number of n is positive, so it is not possible. Negative, you get n is 36. Hence Therefore, n is 36.